Hi guys, I'm Miguel Landa and I am from Mexico. I'm 25 years old. I'm from a small city near Mexico City that is called Pachuca. And yeah, I've been playing drums since I was 11 years old, and I fell in love with the drums the very first time I saw the drummer of my church played the drums every Sunday. I was amazed by the sound and how she played, so I reached out to her and then started taking lessons from her every Saturday. And so yeah, that's how I learn and how I'm still learning. Yeah, the sticks I use are the Collision 5IR, and yeah, I love them since the feel that it gives to me, it's very light and it gives me extra durability and reach for all my shows. So yeah, I love the length of sticks. I think for me it's very comfortable and very easy to get the sound and precision I want and I look to get from my drum kit. So I've been playing the sticks for every show I had and every session I had since I got them. So I love them. And yeah, one of the things I love about Collision is the way they treat artists. They have been so polite and helpful with me with any question and issues I haven't encountered all the way, so I appreciate that. So yeah, I think I see myself as a session drummer since I help many bands to record the drums. Currently, I am in a live band and that is called Rio Panico. So in the video you're going to watch, you will see a recent video we recorded for the local television. So yeah, it was very fun, and you can see I'm using my 5R sticks. So yeah, I hope you like it. The song is called No Eres Para Mí, and yeah, I think that's all.
Lo que he conquistado desde hace tiempo, no nada ha fallado, eso es lo que pienso. Me hubiera gustado que